Hello students and friends. Today in this homeopathic materia medica lesson I will discuss about homeopathic medicine MERCURIUS IODATUS flaws. Before start this video, please subscribe to this channel. We need support from you to make this channel more beautiful. Throat affections, with greatly swollen glands and characteristic coating of tongue. Worse, right side. Chancre, induration remains long time. Swollen inguinal glands, large and hard. Mammary tumors, with tendency to much warm perspiration and gastric disturbances. Tongue, coated thickly, yellow at the base. Tip and edges may be red and take imprint of teeth. Throat, lacunar tonsillitis. When only the superficial part of the tonsil is involved. Cheesy exudates with offensive breath. Swelling begins on right side. Small ulcers on posterior pharynx. Easily detached patches on inflamed pharynx and fauces, worse on right tonsil, much tenacious mucus. Sensation of a lump. Constant inclination to swallow. There are sore throats that especially call for the protoiodide. When in sore throats, the inflammation and pain predominantly affect the right side, and there is a tendency to remain on the right side, or if the MERC state is present and the sore throat goes from right to left, it is the protoiodide you want. The patient that needs this remedy for constitutional troubles will be worse during rest and from a warm room and better in the open air. This is especially true when the patient needs MERC brought in neuritis of the right arm that comes on in writers. The arm then is very painful when writing, from passive motion, from rubbing, from pressure, from both heat and cold, but better from walking in the open air. Complaints are nearly all worse on the right side of the body. Thanks for watching this video. For more updates, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to learn homeopathy course online. Thank you. Have a nice day.